Good afternoon, dear students. I am Dr. Manish Patkar, and today we will discuss one of the topic or one of the unit of the strength of material, and that is unit number 5th, torsion. Okay, this formula is very important, and that is known as the torsional formula. And it is given by torsion equation, and it is given by Tyj equal to g theta upon L equal to tau upon r. T is the torque, J is the polar moment of inertia, G, that is the modulus of rigidity, theta is the angle of twist, L is the length of the shaft, tau is the shear stress, and R is the radius of the shaft. Okay, so from these two relations, Tyj equal to tau upon R, so T equal to tau into J by R, and this J by R is known as Zp. Okay, that is the polar section modulus. For the shaft of the given material, the maximum permissible shear stress tau is constant, so T is directly proportional to Zp. The torsional resistance of the shaft is proportional to the polar modulus of the shaft. This is the polar modulus. Okay, the polar modulus of the section is measured by the strength of the shaft in the torsion. Means just like the section modulus, polar modulus also represent the strength of the shaft. The polar moment of inertia for the solid circular section is given by pi d4 by 32, and the polar moment of inertia for the hollow circular shaft is given by pi by 34, capital D raised to power 4 minus small d raised to power 4, where capital D is the outer dia and small d is the inner dia. For a given shaft, J and R are constant, so polar modulus Zp equal to J by R. For solid circular section, Zp, that is the polar section modulus, is pi dq by 16. And for the hollow circular section, Zp is given by pi by 16d, capital D raised to power 4 minus small d raised to power 4. Thank you.